Smoke towards. Hello? Oh dear! So many men, no flashbang whatsoever, but the cleanup will be quite nice. And the threat's been eliminated. Oh my god, what the hell was that? What in the blazes was that?
Because if North can shut down Vici before the CT starts to kick into action, then we could be heading to Mirage. On the alternative, Vici might be able to bring this back. We'll find out. It's a fast apps play. Freeman's fully flashed. They're not going to check him. They drop into the pit instead, or in the site rather. Freeman finds 2-3 kills off this USP, and he's found a fourth. Dropping the bomb. Is he going to find an ace? And Freeman
can be dangerous as well. Where are the Franks of FaZe clan? Everything is going the way of Cloud9. Suddenly, Guardian again versus 4. This is unbelievable. The worst situation. He just got 2 plays once again. There's the third! Guardian, what is going on? Rush with 5 HP. The Molotov could be everything. He knows the last play was towards Ivy. Guardian looking for the ace. Oh!
And flashed out. They do get the entry, but there's Kazi on the site with the AWP. Attention drawn by Zoking, and the bomb dropped again north. They can't let this round slip due to time, and Kazi is just tearing them apart on the A site. 3 kills, pistol out, and he is going to whip them right back. It's Vici Gaming going to the major. 20.
Ai, tô sentindo que é hoje que vem a faca, hein, do verdadeiro.
Não é possível, velho. Ai, essa arma é muito cara.
É minha essa aí, cara.
Deus ajuda quem cedo madruga, Deus ajuda quem ajuda os outros. É isso? Você tá estando? Aí, isso lá.
But looking at the time, this could be a very interesting situation. Ivy is very important to control when you want to plant the bomb. Nico expecting somebody to be there. Nobody says. Actually, Molotov his own teammate off, and that's going to cost him everything. That's a disaster. Oh no! Surely there's no time. He can't even get around the corner, and it's a team kill.
Vai ter o meio. Posso pagar fundo, quer? Não precisa.
C4
Não,
aí.
não, tá tranquilo, tá mais ao lado.
Mais um bem na esquerda.
Tem no meio, deu no meio.
Tem um fundo pra 62, tá entrando fundo. Um só.
Ah, mentira, 96 por cara. 4 de vida o cara na geladeira aí, geladeira. Cozinha. Pode ter passado fundo pra bomba antiga, hein? C4 tá comigo.
Now he can try to plant the bomb. Does Rush try to stop it? Nico lets Zelsis go past. A flashbang makes it really awkward. Does he turn around in time? Nico chasing, he's playing for max information. Oh, Flusher's angle. Could this actually happen? That would be absolutely ridiculous! How on earth is that a thing? How does he know?
Completely blindingly obvious for Vici. They have 5 players on the site before you know it, but it was only pistols for North, and now they've got guns. Kaze! Oh no!
My goodness! This is what we wanted to see from this man. Kaze in with the quick flick collateral. This man has it all. And Kaze, oh, he's gonna get collateral back.
Molly for the bomb, but there's so much time. They both have kits as well. It will concede his position. Can he do anything else? He's holding it for as long as possible. He's waiting for the beats. There goes the Molly. Repositions, doesn't get sprayed down. He's got to believe in the Molly, but the diffuser's coming in. Oh my god!
Alright guys, can I show you? Should I show you how to pick underpass very fast? Guys, I am pushing underpass, but very fast.
Okay.
Just YOLO.
Yeah, I'll flash me too.
It's a YOLO, guys. YOLO push.
Yeah.
Flash for you.
They're taking shot.
AWP or underpass.
Flashbang spreading wide is a threat. Doesn't need a trade frag, and down he goes. Kishima trying to do what he can. 3 HP, 1 more to find. Guardian with 22. Can he really do this? Kishima, you can see the head is so awkward for Guardian. He's got a defuse kit. Kishima dancing, trying to stay alive. Guardian is still with the AWP. Doesn't know that he's so low. He's getting closer now. He's getting closer. It's a massive tap from Kishima.
They leave Orman at this side of the map.
Oh, Azzy just missed the timing there to Freeman, who regressed down Cat, and that position is so important to hold on to this open post part. Now Azzy, up close and personal, finds himself a single kill, but Avon gets spammed through the smoke, and now it is just Orman. One short, Bout it, trying to close the distance from long, but this bomb is already ticking away very, very fast, and Orman, he doesn't have a utility to stop this defuse, but Vaudi's low, so 1 or 2 bullets is all it's going to require. Vaudi forces the peak, but Orman gets the information, and Vaudi goes back for it again, but Orman, even if he goes down, there's no time here. Vaudi gets the kill.
Ready to toss those nades. Here they go. Oh, it's not too bad. They get 1 kill out of it. Olafmoist is down low as well. But Nico's wrapping around. There's nowhere to hide. Oh, that's just gorgeous from Nico.
My first match from after 2 days break. First match.
Nice pusher. I have flash for you. One out boost, I think.
Before you are showing to your opponent, otherwise you may just get shot in the head, but there's no orb this time. Starts to fall back now. He's got no smoke, otherwise Mike drops. Well, that's a huge shot from him. Josh is now lining him up. Misses his shot though, but he's a distraction. His sheer presence there gets taken down, and all of a sudden it's Flusher.
This could be for match point. I mean, they most likely will grab it. They go for the monster push one more time. Again, one of the scariest places to push as a CT, but once you get it, it's just so valuable. Who's going to anticipate a flank from here?
Windstrike, man, they are just on one right now. Waylander most notably. I mean, they're not shying away from any flank. They're not trying to hold back any play. When they've decided to do something, they sure as hell do it. Won't have many chances, unfortunately, because he is so convincing. Waylander takes the ace.
Yeah, boost. Yeah, oh, what? I can't jump. What?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Getting a little bit of chip damage off onto Freeman, flashes himself back in. Makaze is there and is able to pick up one. Freeman isolated by that Molotov. The rest of the team not able to follow up as that Molotov just cuts the push in two. Valde dropping Orman over here at A, and this round looks like it's fallen to pieces for Vici.
Yeah, and again, they're going back towards this A site. It's just not been working for them, and that is going to continue. Valde finds a 1-for-1. Gade is going to go unchecked, and he can just spray away and try and win the round on his own. Kaze, however, he's made this a reality, or at least a possibility. Plugging in the numbers. 3 kills to his name already, and a 1-on-2 to try and pick up this round. The first in a while. Vici, there it is. He could try and find the ace, but he's being wrapped up from long to the side. Can go and play the apartments, can play that late short peek up on porch, but if he sneaks the entire way, Kiebi could get on this bomb, but he won't. Closing the distance, and this is a good idea from Kaze. Surely Kiebi won't expect the close boiler position. He has to go back to the bomb, tapping it, trying to force the app speak, but he's not there. Kaze's back on short with an ace.
Alright.
Oh,
I'm flashing it.
There's 2v.
Dead highway.
There's
One's vent. Nice. One was hopping B as well.
one aiming.
How'd you do? You're literally online when I say you're all online.
A 1v3 required, just 24 points of health. They know where he is, but time ticking down, starting to work against Vici, and Valde looking once more to rise to the occasion. Just 2 HP, and Valde dropped, but the time, it's already ticked too low. North, this is their round, and they're going to be picking up a 16th. They tie things up. Valde.
One more, 2, both.
Incredible entry kills here. It's going to be very tough though. Tapson goes close, he goes in, the pop flash, absolutely phenomenal! Tapson with 3, it's so beautiful for Big, that's exactly what they needed, and they finish it off Smooya and take players down as they enter the bomb site. Looking for the first frag here, there it is from Automatic, trying to turn around, it's him alone now as Rush goes down. The shots are absolutely incredible from Automatic so far, he's done more than enough. Olaf Meister in the 1 vs 2, there's a chance, but...
Goes out. Top connector as 3 Ts run towards it. Will they come through it or will they wait? Flash goes over and they do barrel through. Gade misses them, but Cadian, can he pick up the pieces?
Only one. Then he is left in pieces. 50 and JDM doing the work for the terrorists so far, but there's a player here behind the box. It's Valde, only with 1 headshot of his own. But AZ, still unbeknownst to the T's, has jumped through window for a duel, swapping to his knife, getting back onto the gun. Kerrigan spotted up close. He knows.
He's gonna walk up to it. Yeah,
He
Kerrigan,
knows.
Yeah, Kerrigan doesn't know that he knows. Oh. That's an easy kill. Oh my goodness, the 1v2 from AZ.
And it's not going to be a good look. So they headshot straight away. Oh my god. No Kevlar. He still controls the spray after the aim punch. Has to summon all of his experience, all of his composure. Timing is on point. And he gets an AWP for his troubles. Hello.
Não. Ele tá em cima já? Tô atrás dele.
Tá, no janelão.
Tô atrás dele já.
As 3 entrou.
Ai, delícia. Peguei Gustavinho na faca.
Oh my god.
Oh my...
How you gonna do that, man?
The police are on the way.
The her game's on point, but that's like...